Hey guys, welcome back to Open Air, and today we're going to be shooting a truckload of fireworks. Look at all that, guys. We have just a little bit of everything from Wizard Fireworks. This is the Pro Line series of window fireworks, and we have a little bit of everything. We have slices, we have go-getters, we have a 2-inch Nishiki Camaro cake, we have 49 shot straight palm cakes, we have smaller fan cakes, smaller Z-shaped fan cakes. We have bigger fan cakes. We have Z-shaped pattern large fan cakes. We have salutes. We have howlers. We have just a little bit of everything. And I think this is awesome product. So I got all of this product from Discount Fireworks in Ripon, Wisconsin. Waylon just got all of this stuff in, and this is just a glimpse of what he has. He has tons of different items outside of these that we're going to be shooting off tonight. When I seen that he got these in, I had to go get some. I had to get them up in the air. I had to see them for myself, show you guys, and just kind of see what these products do. At the end of the day, I think that any of these products, if you have your show set up already, or if you're still looking to add that final piece that could maybe set your show off, I think these products are going to be that. We're going to dive into these products just a little bit. I want to check out the description of these products, the duration, and let you guys see it. And then we're going to get these in the field, set them up, e-match them up, and have an awesome demo with all of these fireworks. Again, a truckload of fireworks. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to get into is the slices. So the first slice we got here is $17, and this is a 9-shot blue tail to tie gold palm with blue. We have a 9-shot green tail, spit blue and green falling leaves, and this one is $17. We have a 11-shot white crescent with white mine, and this one is $19. We have an 11-shot red crescent with blue mine, and this one is $18. And then the last one for slices is we have a 12-shot triple layer Timerang crackle, if that's how you say that. And this one is $23. So that's what we're going to have for slices. Here we have 3 go-getters, and we're actually going to light these in a series. We're going to link them up and let them rip. So we got a 49 shot, and they're all 49 shots, and all 3 of these cost $33. And the first one is a green lemon purple. We have a straight red and a straight silver. So we're going to just link these up again and see how they perform. So I'm super excited for this one. This is a 16 shot 2-inch Nishiki Camaro cake, and this has a duration of 40 seconds, and it's $84. And guys, I'm loving this blue on the top. Just something different than the silver or the gold, but I'm liking it. So that's a nice cake there. So this next cake here is a 49 shot. It is straight red, green, blue tail to tie gold palm with colored dahlia. This has a duration of 18 seconds, and it is $58. And then the bottom one is also a 49 shot. It's a green strobe mine red tail to time rain willow with red strobe, and that one has a duration of 28 seconds, and I believe that one is $59. So here we have a 36 shot red howling tail to crackle with red lace. We have a 5-second duration on that one, and I believe this one is $43. And then we have a 36 shot straight whistling to crackle with a 12-second duration with a price tag of $41. We have a 49 shot straight blue tail to flower crown with red and blue with a duration of 15 seconds, and this one is $36 on that one. And then all 3 of these cakes, nope, I'm sorry, these first 2 here are $31 a piece, They're both 30 shots. The first one is a Z-shaped brocade tail to brocade with green strobe with an 11-second duration. And then we have a Z-shaped red, green, blue tail to red, green, blue brocade with multi-strobe, also with a 11-second duration. And then the last one here is a 49-shot Z and fan-shaped red crosette. And the duration on that one is 13 seconds with a price tag of $41. And now to get into some of the bigger ones here, we have a 49-shot S-shaped blue tail spit color falling leaves with blue, a 16-second duration on that. And this one is $67. We have a 49-shot spitting brocade crown horsetail, a 7-second duration, $65. We have a 42-shot fan-shaped gold willow to gold rain with gold willow to gold rain mine, 16-second duration, $65 price tag. And then we also have a 49-shot color moving fireflies with blue pistol with a 20-second duration on that one and $72. This one here is a 42-shot fan-shaped blue to red strobe with blue to red strobe mine. We have a 20-second duration on that cake with a $65 price tag. We have 49-shot Z-shaped gold horse tail with blue pearls, 16-second duration, $70. A 49-shot spit and silver wave falling leaves in blue, duration is 10 seconds, $68. And then this one I'm really excited for. It is a 100-shot X-shaped purple yellow tail and crackling tail to crosette. Duration is 10 seconds, $84. And then the last cake here is an 81-shot Z-shaped brocade tail spit brocade waterfall with red, green strobe pistols. And we have a $76 price tag on this one. And same thing, you get that blue top, which is, I think, awesome. It's dope. So I just quickly wanted to show you guys, I did get a good amount of bulk shells as well. Unfortunately, I won't be able to shoot these tonight. I will have a video soon. I just want to quickly show you guys though, if you guys do stop at Discount Fireworks, Waylon does have bulk shells in the Wizard line. So it looks like he has a 24 pack A through D, and I believe you are getting 24 different effects in these, and they're 5-inch shells. And he does have, and these are $12 a piece for 6. And then he does have a 6-inch 6-pack, and those are at $14. And then he does have a 12-pack. You get they're labeled 1 and 2, $13 a piece. And I believe these are also 5-inch, and you're getting 12 different effects in these as well. So I'm not 100% if these have mines or what they all do yet, but a video will be dropping soon. I just want to let you guys know that if you guys are stopping, he does have bulk shells in the Pro Line series for Wizard. Those are dope, guys. All right, next thing we got is we're going to be doing a slice. It's a triple layer crackle. Oh, come on. Come on, guys. All right, we got a green tail, bit blue, and green falling leaves. We got some green falling leaves. Next up is white crosette with white mine. Next we got a red crosette with blue mine. We got a straight blue tail to flower crown with red and blue. All right, next up is green strobe mine, red tail to time rain willow with red strobe. Let's go. All right, next up we got is straight red, green, blue tail to tie gold with colored dahlia. Next, we got a Z-shaped gold horsetail with blue pearls. Oh, that's cool. We have color moving firefly with blue pistol. We got a spitting brocade crown to horsetail is next. We have a spitting silver wave falling leaves with blue. We got a fan-shaped gold willow to golden rain with gold willow to golden rain mine. All right, next we got a fan-shaped blue to red strobe with blue to red strobe mine. Like the chat up, guys. Pretty cool blue. We got an S-shaped blue tail, spit color falling leaves with blue. All right, next up, guys, is we got a straight whistling to crackle. All right, we got a red howling tail to crackling with red lace. Next one up we got is, it's a 2-inch Nishiki Camaro. Guys, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it is raining. Guys, that was cool. That was cool. Next one up, guys, is a Z-shaped brocade tail, spit brocade waterfall with red and green strobe pistol. Last one here, guys, is an X-shaped purple and yellow tail and crackling 2 Crusette. Alright guys, that was it for this demo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I think I messed up and I didn't hit record on the first couple cakes, but it's still a good demo. Appreciate y'all. Catch you in the next one. Peace.